Okay folks, breath work. What should you be focusing on? That's what we're going to cover in this video today. Breath work is super sexy at the minute. Like, I mean really, really sexy. Everybody wants to do it. Everyone's doing that, and cold exposure, Wim Hoff style training, oxygen advantage, all of the really cool stuff at the minute. When you start training things like breath work and you jump in with both feet, sometimes you're focusing on stuff you don't even need to be focusing on. And there's a simple way to check what should you be focusing on as you start your journey. The two main things that most people should be focusing on are A, lung capacity, or B, CO2 tolerance. Everyone will be different. Some people might need to focus on both. As you start your breathwork training journey, you're going to want to know what you need to improve rather than just doing all these random exercises because other people tell you that these exercises are brilliant. You want to make them work for you. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a little simple exercise that should show you which one you need to focus on. What we're going to do is make a hissing sound, so like that. So we're restricting and forcing air out of the mouth, forced exhale, okay? You're going to take a nice deep breath in through your nose, and then you're going to make the hiss sound. You're going to do this as slowly and for as long as you can. Now this is where you tell whether it's lung capacity or CO2. If you are doing the hiss and you've still got plenty of breath left and plenty of hiss left, but you feel halfway through that you get an overwhelming panicked urge, you feel like you just need to stop and breathe, even though you still have some breath left and you're still in the middle of the hiss, say like halfway through, you're like, that kind of thing. That's a sign that you should be focusing on CO2 tolerance. If, on the other hand, you've done your deep breath in, you're making the hissing sound, and you just run out of breath. You've still got plenty of, you can still make the sound, but you can't keep going. That is a sign that you need to work on increasing your lung capacity. You need to increase the capacity for your lungs to function properly, so to take in more air more efficiently. So give that exercise a go, see what you think, see which one it comes up as, see if you get that panicked feeling that you need to breathe in, or see if you simply run out of breath. Depending on which one it is, that should give you the starting point in your breathwork journey. From there, you can go through everything, but that is more than likely a good place to start so that you're not wasting time doing stuff that you don't really need to work on. So if that was helpful, like, comment, subscribe, and share it with somebody you know, or share it with other people that do breathwork training as well.